The Shure sm7b is a dynamic cardioid microphone renowned for its exceptional performance in professional audio settings, including broadcasting, podcasting, and studio recording. Its robust construction and superior sound quality have made it a staple among industry professionals. Design and build quality. The sm7b boasts a durable metal chassis, providing a solid and professional feel. Weighing approximately 765 grams, it is relatively heavy, which contributes to its sturdy build. The microphone features a classic design with a detachable windscreen that helps minimize plosive sounds. Sound quality. This microphone is celebrated for its smooth, flat, and wide-range frequency response, capturing the nuances of the human voice with remarkable clarity. Its cardioid polar pattern effectively isolates the sound source, reducing the pickup of background noise and ensuring focused audio capture. Considerations. While the sm7b offers outstanding performance, it requires a high-gain preamp due to its low output level. Users may need to invest in a quality audio interface or an inline preamp to achieve optimal results. Additionally, its weight necessitates a sturdy microphone stand to ensure stability during use. Overall, the Shure sm7b stands as a benchmark in the audio industry, offering unparalleled sound quality and durability. Its adaptability across various applications makes it a valuable asset for professionals seeking a reliable and high-performing microphone. Thank you.